Checkformold.com Incorporated has been in business since October of 2000. We do residential and commercial mold inspections and mold testing. We service the greater Los Angeles area, Orange County, Riverside County, the Inland Empire, basically all of Southern California. Myself and our other inspectors have been trained and certified to assess properties as a whole for water intrusion issues and mold growth itself. So when we do an inspection and we do testing, we're really giving the client an overall picture of their property and whether or not their property's indoor air quality has been affected because of mold growth as a whole. We do not try to play on our customers' fear as it relates to mold growth in their home. When you're looking to do mold inspection or mold testing in your home, it's important to hire a mold inspection and mold testing company only. A mold inspection and mold testing company like ours does not perform remediation. Therefore, we do not have a vested interest in telling you you have a mold issue, which you may or may not have, because we don't get paid to do the remediation work. And we base any kind of recommendation or any kind of referral to the client on the overall condition of the property. So if you think you have a mold growth issue or you know for sure that you do, please give us a call and we will help you figure out what is the best course of action for your particular situation.